I would say at the very beginning, it is being honest with yourself that you no longer have control over this thing and that you've tried to do it on your own and it hasn't worked. And so that is step one in figuring out how to get better from this thing, is being honest with yourself about your inability to control it. Or if you still feel like you are able to control it, but it's still a problem, then looking at the consequences that you're receiving and saying, am I still willing to experience these consequences anymore? Sort of just having a real moment of truth with yourself about what the reality is about your relationship with that substance, whatever it is. Or if it's not a substance, what your relationship is with that behavior. And then the second part of it really is asking for help from somebody who has been through something similar, that has gotten to the other side of it. Just having somebody like that in your corner, even if it's one person, can make all of the difference in the world, whether it's a therapist, a sponsor, a spiritual mentor, whatever it is, and not letting your ego get in the way of getting that help that you need. And it's so hard for so many people to just ask for help.